Hi, let's see how we can use a Microsoft 365 team to share email templates with Template Manager 365. Head over to your Office admin portal to the Teams and Groups page and find the Add a Team button. Template Manager saves shared templates in the OneDrive associated with a team. Give the team a name and then choose the owners. These do not have to be the users of Template Manager 365. But instead add those users as members to the team. On the last page, you can add the team's email address and choose its privacy settings. These do not influence Template Manager 365. After a few minutes, you can open Template Manager in Outlook and choose the group store. There you will see your new group. Now any members of the team can save and load email templates directly from within Outlook.